One of Studyo's biggest advantages is that you can organize your course before students ever see your planning. Your planner already includes your classes, holidays, professional development days, and other school events. This makes it easy to schedule assignments and exams, even when different sections meet on different days. As you build your course, you can continue creating assignments, adjusting due dates, and organizing your schedule. Nothing is shared with students until you decide it's ready. When you're ready to publish a task, click on it, then open its action menu. Select Publish to Section. The blue circle now appears around the task, confirming that it's visible to your students. Publishing doesn't lock your planning either. If your schedule changes, simply update the published task, and any changes are automatically reflected in your students' planners. This gives you the flexibility to prepare your course well in advance while deciding when each assignment becomes visible to your students. If you're teaching multiple classes, you can also publish the same assignment to several sections at once. We'll explore that in the next tutorial.